Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which we'll need to take off the case for this. There we go. And the SIM tray is located at the bottom of the phone. So you can see right here. And there is two different areas which look like you could just try to push this in. Make sure you utilize the one that is right here near the corner of the device. From there, push it in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. As you can see on the other side we have this thing that prevents us from plopping in a card. So make sure you place your card on here like so. And then insert it back into your device. Now my card has a pin on it, so that automatically prompts me to confirm it. When I do, it obviously unlocks my SIM card, and that's really all you need to do. Now this is for people that want to use a physical card. If you have an eSIM, you can, I believe, also add one in here by going into the settings and then network and internet maybe. Yep, network and internet, and we have SIMs and mobile network. SIMs as in multiple, because you can, as you can see, download new SIM. This allows you to, first you need to be connected to network, Wi-Fi or mobile. So once you are, you can then just whip out the QR code for that eSIM that you want to connect. And this will open up your camera and allow you to scan that QR code, automatically connecting to that eSIM. So the device does support two different numbers, just not as a physical card. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.